We had a rock, paper, scissors for who painted the trim on the boathouse. Junior, of course, lost and came out to find him today, hopping the ladder across. Oh, Junior, finally getting around to your job, eh?
I was doing fine before you showed up.
Scaffolding would be nice, huh?
Ever see those drywall guys with the leg stilts?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we should make some of those stilts. Even if it wasn't great for doing this kind of stuff, it'd be fun to have around for playing.
They're just 2x4s with a little piece onto them, aren't they?
More or less.
Well, you finish that up, man, and I'll go get some 2x4.
Whoa. I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to BROJECTS. So what we're doing is we're building some stilts. We're gonna try to make them auto-raising or self-raising.
So basically what we did is we cut the 2x4 down to handle size.
And then we made little ledges or little notches in our 2x4 here.
It's gonna feel good coming down.
Don't fall on them. Do you want to take that over and I'll see if I can do the foot thing?
Scary.
We're gonna build a little foot block that you can lift up with a rope. So when you lift up, it'll pull the loop and it'll hopefully pull the whole thing up.
Man, I don't know about this rope system. If it was attached to your foot, you'd be able to do that yourself.
So you attach this to your foot?
You just put a loop over it. So when you want to pull it up, you just lift it and then you can maneuver it a lot better with your foot.
Okay.
I think I've convinced him just to put a Velcro strap on the top of it because you can pull your leg up and lock that in a lot easier, I think, than you're ever going to do with some kind of contraption.
I think these might work, much to the disbelief of some onlookers.
And the internet community.
You gotta make the notches first, and then you have to...
Just try it.
Dude, where are the notches? You don't understand how this works,
You
obviously.
don't understand. Where do notches come from? A notcher? Let's see some notching magic.
So I just made a few notches to grab the rope that is gonna keep this thing level and hopefully from breaking off.
All right, I'm gonna call your insurance company and alert them that you are no longer probably eligible for any sort of coverage.
All right, first gear.
Whoa, whoa. Just attach the paintbrush to your forehead. Put it on your helmet, man.
That's not a bad idea. Ready?
Yeah.
Hold me. The mechanism actually seems to work fine. But we're having a little problem. They seem to twist in your hands.
Baby steps.
Oh, it's twisty. All right, you're up.
I've never been on stilts before. I think I'll be on the low setting. Don't f around, man. This could seriously injure a person. Holy. Okay, let me go.
Nice. Look at that. I think I got it. Yeah, I did it.
Well, good, man. I think we've kind of proven the concept. I'm super tired of this. This is stupid and dangerous.
I don't know if it'll actually work very well for painting a house, but it'll be fun for the cottage anyway. This is much better.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Okay, step over.
Oh.